Hi, my name is Dawn, and this is my review of the stainless steel meat pounder. Now, I was provided this product for review. I'm looking forward to using it for specifically some different items such as chicken parm. It's one of my boyfriend's favorites, as well as something like a chimichurri steak where you need to thin out the meat before you fry it. So this has got some good weight to it. It seems like a sturdy product. I'll pull out some chicken and we'll give it a test. Out of the box, you'll see that it has an easy grip, which is great. It feels like good weight distribution in the product. Go ahead and give it a little flip. And yeah, it's working just as it should. So this is going to help to not only create a even consistency, but it's also going to help tenderize the meat as well. It's easy to use. I would definitely recommend this product.